Hi, today in front of me is the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store app, and here in the search bar we should enter Green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing. After that, tap here to open the app, click enable in settings, and near Green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Then click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the Green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, and for example let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.